Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. My name's Sarah. I'm a homeschooling mom of 4 in Tennessee, and today is just a day in the life. It's a Sunday and I'm busy just catching up on things. So there's gonna be some soap cutting and some cooking and some outside chores and a little bit of cleaning, just a little bit of everything. So come along and join me today and we'll see what happens.
Uh-oh, what are you doing? Huh? Escaping puppy.
Oh no! Oh my, Rebecca's giving Snickers a bath. He needed one. Oh, honey, there's water dripping everywhere. Oh, my. Cow down there. You getting a bath, huh? Is Becca giving you a bath? Oh, my. I'll go get you a towel for him, okay? What are you doing?
Wow.
Oh dear, he looks like a little rat.
I'm gonna get showered pretty soon.
You're gonna get a shower too?
I don't know, but I'm gonna get wet.
Alright, yeah, looks like it. Nothing's ever easy. What's going on? Trailer brakes are locking up. That's no fun. I think they're gonna go pick up a friend of ours truck that they're working on. He's been working on anyway, and needs a little bit of help with it. So I think that is what they're up to today. Who's getting fluffy? Huh? Who's getting fluffy? Oh my sakes. Look at him struggle. Oh, look at him struggle. What's all this brushing all about, girl? Brushing and flossing. Oh my goodness. She's got braces. So you've had them for, what, a week? 2 weeks tomorrow. Yeah. So you can eat again, right?
Sort of.
Sort of. And then you got to go get your cleaning done tomorrow. And do you have colors yet?
Not yet.
No colors yet, so fun times. Oh boy. Lots of brushing ahead, huh?
Yes.
What do you think of braces so far?
They're not too bad.
They aren't too bad. Are they something that you wanted? Yeah. Okay. Well, no pain, no gain.
Trucks that were moving.
Oh no! Did you catch him?
Yeah, right before he got ran over.
Well, good grief, that would have been bad.
And then we played catch with the ball, and tug of war.
Well, that sounds like fun.
And race.
And race? Who won?
Snickers.
Snickers won the race?
Yeah, but I caught him.
Yeah. Howdy. How are you doing, sir?
Good.
You hungry, bud? Did you have a bath and you went for a race and you did all kinds of fun things?
He's hungry.
Boy, he is hungry. Hi. Hi. How was your bath? Hmm? How was your bath, little buddy?
His feet are.
I'm washing up the pans from last night. The carriers, I guess you could say. We had our first Vespers and game night of the season at church last night. So today is Sunday. For those of you guys who are new here or don't know us, we're Seventh-day Adventists, so we do keep Saturday Sabbath. And so yeah, anyway, whenever the sun starts going down earlier, because we keep Sabbath from Friday sunset to Saturday sunset, basically we just try to do as little work as possible, have food prepared ahead of time as much as possible, and just spend time with the Lord, with family, at church, out in nature, that sort of thing. Anyway, so yeah, when the sun starts going down earlier, we will generally have a Vespers program to kind of just close out the Sabbath hours at church. We'll sing and, you know, do maybe a Bible bowl or something like that. And then afterwards, we head on over to the kitchen and the gym and just have snacks and social time. And we have the gym, so the kids love to play soccer and hockey. Those are the two favorites. We also have like dodgeball, and sometime here we need to put up the tennis, or not the tennis, but the volleyball net again, because that would be a lot of fun. I'd like to kind of get out there and do that. It's been years since I've played volleyball. So anyway, Hannah had made apple streusel muffins and also pumpkin muffins to bring for last night. We didn't get home till really late, but that's all part of the fun, right? Saturday night and just socializing together as a church family. It's always a really enjoyable part of the year. We don't do it in summer because sunset is so late, and so we'll often like go on a hike or something together during the summer. But anyway, I'm gonna get these put away for next time. What are you doing?
Mama.
I'm doing, what's it called? Spanish months of the year, and I found this app called Quizlet, and you can like do a test. You can write in the word. You can write in the words there, and then you can do like all these games and match like the months. Like that. And it like tells how many seconds you can do it in.
Oh, cool. So that ought to help you study for your Spanish, huh?
Yeah.
Do you have a test tomorrow, or
No, I just want to learn the terms.
Yeah. Well, good. That's great. Good deal. So this puppy, whenever I'm in the kitchen, it thinks that it's time to eat and that it should eat too. Don't ya? Every single time I'm in the kitchen, I want to eat too. Mwah, don't ya? Don't ya? Oh.
You're so cute, so cute. Oh, just look at the little face. Mwah. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh, little Mr. Snickerpoo. Mr. Snickerpoo. Oh, he's such a cutie. Such a cutie. Oh. Oh, yes he is. What a Snickerpoo. What a Snickerpoo. Oh. Dogs can't have hot chocolate. Sorry, Snicks. No hot chocolate for you. These kids are awful munchy today. They're just wanting to eat. They've got popcorn going and hot chocolate going and just all the things. And this little one was right there to pick up all the crumbs. He's right there to pick up all the crumbs. I think he's tired. Yeah. Not 1 second later that I put him down.
Are they done?
He's peeing on the floor. Hang on.
Did he go all of it?
That part of puppying
Did he go all of it?
is frustrating to me.
Do it all?
I don't know. I mean, it was a pretty good pebble, you know.
Put it all on mine. Probably did.
Picked him up and scooped him out and threw him out the door. Well, not quite threw him out the door, but you know. Put him out the door. He doesn't let you know that he's gotta go. Alright, we getting this going on here. Alright, here, let me divide it a little bit so that it's like there's no milk left. Alright, here you guys go.
Thank you.
It's hot, okay? You might want a spoon so you can stir it a little more.
Thank you.
Yep. Hey. Don't spill it on the rug. You want to know what my favorite power tool is? This. Man, I love this thing. It's rechargeable. I don't even know what kind it is. Go? Is that a brand? Anyway, this thing's awesome. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's so good. It's like the perfect ripe fig. Now I saw another one. And here somewhere. Oh my goodness, this one looks good too. I love fresh figs. It takes so long for them to ripen. I don't get it. My mom was saying that if you like start pulling off leaves, then it like will trick the fig to ripen up. Like, hey, it's fall time, like I need to ripen. And I don't know if that's helped it or not, but I will say that I am getting a lot more figs this year than I have in years past, so that's good, right? Oh, I see a few more. Tripping on a cat. Oh wow. That one's so good. Love this compost bucket. I got it off of eBay As Your Standard also has one, but it was cheaper on eBay. I mean on Amazon. Anyway, I do like it because it has this charcoal deal on the top, so it keeps up the smell down. And yeah, and it's cute enough to sit on the counter. Alright guys, I've got to show you some of the last of these dahlias. Look at this ginormous thing. It is so huge. It's the dinner plate one. I have no idea what color it is, but so pretty. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love dahlias. This next year, I'm going to make sure that they're not in the pots yet, and I'm going to actually be planting them along my little garden fence here. Look at this one. This one is one from Eastwood Gardens, and it is the Dark Spirit one. Kind of an odd name, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to try to get the color up for you. It is an incredibly dark maroon color, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I can imagine it like in a wedding bouquet or something. So pretty. You enjoying your snack? There's the goats laying in the sunshine. We'll go down here and see how many eggs we've got. Such a beautiful fall day. Oh my goodness. Hello, you following me? So Mike and Nate built this great egg laying system. Guess where they lay them? Over here. Let's see how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we've got 9, 10. Alright, that's what's in there. Is there anywhere else? Crazy chickens. Sometimes they'll lay over there. I did just clean all this out not long ago. Oh well, I guess that's it. We've got 10 eggs for now. What are you doing?
We're locked in the cage.
Who locked you in the cage?
Me.
You did. Why did you lock yourselves in a cage?
Because
What are you doing in there?
that guy made a trap and we fell in the cave.
You fell in the cave? Will you be able to get out?
Yes,
Oh.
very easy.
Oh. You know how this trap works, huh? What are you doing? Did you find a quiet, cool place to sleep? Pleasant dreams, Snickerpoo. I am super excited because the other day I got a chance to make a whole bunch of soap, and I'm gonna see about cutting some of it here. I've got a couple more bricks that just aren't quite hard enough to cut yet, but I think I'll go ahead and do these. One of them's plain, which is a special order, and then the other one is a peppermint pearl restock that I've done before, but it smells so good and looks so pretty, but I'm gonna wait on cutting that. This one here is Reindeer Moments, and it's just garnished with some coffee beans. Almost looks like the little reindeer hooves. It smells so good, just like Christmas. This is another Christmas one. I cannot wait to see the inside of it. And it smells dreamy, kind of like citrusy and Christmas tree time. This one is Cucumber Mint. It's so refreshing. And then this one is like a plum spiced tea one with rose hips down the side just for garnish. It is this solid purple plum color, and it smells so warm and homey.
This one I absolutely love. Look how gorgeous this is gonna look. So pretty. It's got pink sea salt on top. I'm a little concerned about how it's going to slice with the salt. I probably should have put it to the side, but what's done is done. Anyway, it is a pink sea salt and lily, and it smells so sweet and so good. This one here is a coconut ginger almond. It's very, very light in fragrance, and I don't know if the swirl went down through it or if it's mostly natural. This one smells super epic, and it is a chocolate orange dream bar. So anyway, yeah, let's see what they look like inside. All right, it's been quite a while since I've cut soap, so I'm pretty excited to see what's inside these. Grab my cutter. I just use a cheese cutter board for cutting soap, and I have like a line here for how wide to make them, and then I just set my soap on the board and line it up with that line. Heard a rumble and a roar. I'm just looking on the camera. Looks like Mike and Nate are home with that truck that they're gonna help fix. All right, let's see what it's gonna look like here.
I want to be with my girlfriend. I want to be with my girlfriend tonight. Where's the puppy?
Is it gonna show up?
Every time.
There's that one. That's pretty cute. It smells so nice. All right, this is that Christmas one I'm so excited about seeing inside of it. Trying to decide whether I want to take that little end sliver off. I feel like I do. Okay, that ought to clean it up a little bit. Pretty, and it's going to be different all the way through it, but just gorgeous.
That's awesome. So, oh, that smells so good.
All right, guys, there it is. There's all the soaps that we've cut so far. Oh, they look so good. Are you excited about them? Yeah.
I followed you, I let you lead. You were so sure, and I believed. You spoke of love, you touched my soul. You gave me hope, you made me whole. You live in me, your spirit's bright. I can go on, I'll be alright. You live in me, and now it's time
Mike and I went up to some food trucks that were out and had a little date. Anyway, this is some vegetable hibachi leftovers, so I'm eating that up, and then we are headed to a church business meeting. Yay. We get to discuss the color of the church carpet. For real. Yeah, we've been fundraising for quite a while to redo our church carpet and then reupholster the pews. We've had the funds for a while, but just different things have come up and it hasn't gotten done yet. So today is the business meeting. You want to go to that business meeting? Yeah, discussing church carpet colors. Not the most fun way to spend an afternoon, is it? I think it'll go quick. Okay, I need one of those sound effects that says many hours later. Finally done. All right, so the business meeting took a while. Good news is church carpet and the pew color has been decided. We're done with that. So, of course, everybody's starving because it's now like 5 o'clock. So, I'm gonna do some, these are not what I wanted. And now they're open. I'm gonna do some chili and some fries. And, that's what we'll have for supper. Dinner. We've got some chili and some seasoned fries, and then I guess then we can put some sour cream and cheese on it or whatever. So we've got regular cheese, but we also have okay, hang on. Oh, you got fries. Ooh, oh, can I eat that one? Oh man. Walmart is now selling dairy-free cheese. And also, the Full Circle brand has plant-based as well, so that's kind of cool. And then I've got some vegetarian hot dogs here if they want that. So, chili dogs or fries, chili fries, there you go. Well guys, thanks for joining me today. And I think I'm done for today. Time to start winding down. Reading a story or family movie night or something relaxing. It's been a doozy. I'm tired. Thanks for joining in with us today. If you enjoyed today, just give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.